right, now let's look at what our wise men are telling us as we get into trade this morning. The wise man today is Abhay Lajawala of Deutsche Equities. Abhay says, or rather Deutsche Equities believes that the recent trend of strong inflows into equity mutual funds is indicative of a long pending shift in the nature of Indian household savings from physical assets to financial assets. As India's macroeconomic distortions correct, non-productive physical assets would continue to lose their allure relative to financial assets. Abhay adds that the financial sector should be the biggest beneficiary of this transition and hence they maintain financials as their biggest overweight in their model portfolio. Deutsche Equities' top banking and financial picks are Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, Shriram Transport Finance and REC.
Alright, let's get you some money market views as well this morning. Pramit Brahmabat of Veracity expects the rupee to depreciate today as Asian markets have already opened on a weak note, which will force local equities to trade low. He adds the gain in the dollar may hurt the rupee and he expects the dollar INR to trade in a range of 61.7 to 62.7 to the dollar. Dhaval Dalal of DSP BlackRock says the government bond prices are likely to consolidate at current levels. He says market participants are keenly observing global markets, oil prices and the political outcome in the capital for further cues. He expects the sentiment to remain subdued and expects the benchmark 10-year yields to trade between 7.7 to 7.75% in the near term.
All right, on that note, let's take a break. We will come back with our entire research team and detail to you the top 10 list of stocks that we are watching.